Hello, my name is Andrew Abraham, and I'm a trend follower. I manage money professionally. And I want to put up a very interesting point that transpired last year around this time. If you remember, Meredith Whitney was on 60 Minutes, and she predicted that there would be hundreds of billions of dollars in muni bonds that would default. And what you can see on this chart is exactly, there was a drop, but this is basically a spider, or the Lehman Municipal Bond Index. It's just one of them. But really, what is my point? Meredith Whitney came out and predicted that basically there wouldn't be a municipal bond market, and it would crash, and there'd be billions and billions or hundreds of billions of defaults. Well, this goes to prove that when you're a trend follower, you don't have to listen to what the so-called experts and gurus say. You yourself are going to become somewhat confident and your own independent thinker, and you will be consistent when you trend follow as long as you follow a set of rules. What happened if you were a trend follower? You've been buying opposite of all these people that sold and lost money. And basically, several of the municipal bond ETFs and indices basically were up, let's say on a ballpark of about 10%. So really, what is my point? That when you're a trend follower, you don't have an opinion. You don't listen to tips. You don't listen to gurus. Gurus can be wrong. You have a plan. You know exactly where you get in. You know exactly, whoops, I'm having a problem with the screen again. You know exactly where you're going to be getting out. Let me go back to here. Because it's possible the trade didn't work. And then possibly you had a breakout here. And then you would have basically made 10% or close to 10% on your money on something that so-called experts said can't happen. I want to teach you how to trend follow. I want to teach you how to think. It's not just, there's no magical system or holy grail or magical indicator. It's really how you think, because how you think means putting on successful trades, means putting one trade on after the next after a trade doesn't work, because you will have many trades that don't work. Let me be very clear with you. Trend following is not a get rich quick. Trend following, at least for me personally, has been a compound your way to wealth with a set of rules that I follow explicitly. I'll teach you these rules, and I also want to help you to enforce those rules, to be your coach, to your mentor. I'm taking a limited number of traders, experienced, non-experienced, to teach them exactly what I do on a daily basis and how I make money in the markets. I trade for a living. I've been doing this since 1994. Trading is not easy. Trend following is not easy. But when you have a set of rules, a thought-out plan, it makes it a little bit more easy, even though it doesn't guarantee you success. And I'm here to help you. My name is Andrew Abraham, and I'm a trend follower, and hopefully you can be a trend follower too.